So what we're about to go do, we're about to go ride the new RZR Pro and Ryan's 1000S all the way to see Cody, Tucker, Chad, and all the boys that are out there riding their RZRs too. So we're gonna take off out through the desert here and we're gonna find them. RZR did great. Absolutely phenomenal. What do you think, Caesar? Does it handle a lot better than the old RZR?
Yeah, it's quick.
It's quick?
It's pretty quick.
It's pretty quick. If we go down this hill up and over those little trails right there to the top of that, we should be able to see Pyramid Lake up there. Honestly, you haven't even... I haven't left you in the dirt at all.
No, you won't.
Yeah.
You won't.
You've kept up the whole time. That thing is pretty...
Especially on the flat surfaces going high speed.
Yeah.
It's sketchy because all you feel is the whole thing
just washing out.
where are we going? Where are we going?
Caesar with his Ray-Bans, you went in front of us and I chased you. And all the dirt went into his eyes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go check out that over there, see if we can't see the lake. Cool. Just had to go through this sketchy ass section, but we got it. Gotta help Ryan now. There you go. A little bit this way.
I almost want to pivot myself back in to where I can shoot straight up it.
No, come on. Hang on, wait, should I just put a rock in that hole? You're doing good.
I wouldn't stand there if I were you.
I got an escape route.
I know.
Just fucking whoop, go. He says. Right? I'll give you guys a wow. That was fun. How was that? A little sketchy? A little sketchy, huh?
A little bit.
A little bit.
That one's sketchier than this one.
That one's way sketchier.
So little.
So we made it up way out there. You can see Pyramid Lake. A couple of RZRs and some of you boys. You'd think I'd get out of the way. After the first time? No. I stayed. Douchebag. Ah! Woo! Taking Ryan for a quick ride real quick before we head home. Ready? Got about 100 entries for the GoPro giveaway. I don't know about you, but I want a free GoPro. Wouldn't you want a free GoPro? Been a fun day. Look at how tired Ryan looks. Let's get this thing loaded up and get out of here. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure to like the video and tell your friends. Yeah, get some more people to subscribe to us. Every time you shout us out on Instagram, you enter to win the GoPro. Thanks for subscribing, guys. That's all we got for you today. We're exhausted. It's time for like a cheeseburger and a nap time. So thank you very much. See you later.
Oh man, that must have been a cool shot.